Spuigracht. Wherever it's from. The other one is Spliethoff. That's the one midship. They're cruising right along. Heading upstream on the St. Johns River towards Jacksonville, Florida. Sorry for the wind noise. Look at those clouds. That was a quick move, wasn't it? They are moving right along. They're not very loaded. There's 2 sailboats there midship. They may actually be headed into the port. It's right on the other side of this signal, the way they're angling across the river. There may be a tug up there waiting for them. I just did a short video of a tug. Yeah, they are definitely headed to that port. Let me know what you think, folks. Thumbs down, thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fandoculous. Like, subscribe, click the bell, all that good stuff. Until I see y'all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye.